Hi, it's Liz here from the Herb Guide showing you how to brine a turkey. I had very mixed feelings about this. Turkey is often dry, but we've come to love it that way, and I didn't want it to be unrecognisable and wet as though it had been steamed. I'd had a turkey dinner out with a friend a couple of weeks before Christmas, and it wasn't very nice. The meat was soft, and I wouldn't have recognised it as turkey if I'd been blindfolded. But nothing ventured, nothing gained, and we had plenty of food if it went completely wrong. I have to say the results were perfect. The turkey had lost none of the texture we love, but had gained succulence and a delicate flavour. It carved perfectly and kept moist for days afterwards. We had a second roast dinner off it and sliced it for sandwiches. So it's pretty simple, but you'll need to prepare it the day before you cook. Find a bowl big enough to take your turkey. We only had a crown, so a large mixing bowl was plenty big enough. If you've got a whole turkey, you might find that a bit of a challenge. Try a washing up bowl or a bucket. Add a quarter cup, that's about 2 ounces or 55 grams of sea salt. Add a cup of boiling water and stir until it dissolves. Take a few cloves and some black peppercorns. Crush them in a pestle and mortar. Add to the brine and top up with cold water enough to cover your turkey. Give it a stir. Drop the turkey into the brining solution. I put mine breast side down. Put it in the fridge and leave for around 8 hours. Remove the turkey from the solution and let it drain for a couple of hours before you cook it. Cook in the usual way. Our crown took 2 hours 10 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit or 175 centigrade or gas mark 4. I put bacon rashers over the breast to stop it from burning. I wish this was taste television. I can only show you the photos of the turkey, but you'll have to believe me when I say that this was the best turkey I've ever tasted. I've had the really expensive bronze Norfolk turkeys that are sold at 5 or 6 times the price of this, and it was really no better. I will never cook a turkey again without brining first. I was not very adventurous with the brining recipe. I used just 5 cloves and 10 peppercorns and a small amount of salt, but I like my turkey to taste of turkey. I didn't want citrus or strong herby flavours. I use herbs in my stuffing and I didn't want the taste to clash. So, I hope that's helped. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful. Give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. Come visit me at the Herb Guide and let me take the mystery out of herbs for you. See you next time.